have an idea and I'd love to get your feedback. If you follow me on social media, then I'd really like to hear your opinion on this, because this is something I'm considering spending the next few months working on. Over the last 9 months, I've built an audience of about 100,000 people. It's about 60,000 on TikTok, 15,000 on Twitter, 12 or 13,000 on LinkedIn, and another 50,000 on my newsletter. I get a lot of questions about how I did this, especially on TikTok, where I get lots of DMs asking exactly how I grew. I've posted a few times about how I've done this, but I haven't really focused on doing that. Instead, I've been focusing on teaching people how to start a business using artificial intelligence. So this brings me to the question, and maybe this is a stupid idea, so I just wanted to ask my audiences. I'm thinking about putting together a 30-day cohort. This would be 30 days, getting a group of people to all sign up at the same time, and I'd be walking you through live, day by day, how to grow an audience. The focus would be on short video, so using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts, because this is the format that really works and is very easy to build a large audience quite quickly. Every day there would be a short lesson as well as a task, an exercise I'd like you to carry out, and you'll basically be publishing 30 videos over 30 days. If you've ever wanted to start creating content and start to build an audience, the idea is to kind of get you kick-started and into the habit of producing content every single day. There are obviously a lot of really good cohort-based courses like this out there already. So what I'd be offering that's different is my AI expertise. Every single day, I'll give you an AI prompt that you can use to help you generate the content that you're going to be producing. That means it's going to be a combination of my expertise teaching you each day, plus the artificial intelligence prompt, which is going to help you to create the content script. Also, this is going to be tailored more at people who are naturally introverted. So I'm British, as you can probably tell. I'm not the most extroverted person. I find it difficult to be on camera, and this is why I think that I'm in a better position to be able to teach people who are in a similar position to me. People who don't necessarily want to be on camera, they don't feel comfortable with it. This is something that I've learned to do, and I know how to teach you how to get to that same place. This brings me to the question, would this be something that you are actually interested in, or is this just a silly idea? I'd rather know if it's a silly idea now, before I start to create everything. It would be a 30-day cohort, a group of people all working through the content at the same time, with accountability and a community to make sure that you actually get the work done. The idea would be to get you started with content creation so that you can start to build an audience in the same way that I have been doing for the last 9 months or so. So if you are interested in this, could you please drop a comment here, and that will tell me that this is something you're interested in, and then I will direct my attentions towards it. If you could also, this is optional, but if you could also tell me what you've tried before and what hasn't worked for you, any blocks that you have, that would be really useful for me, because then I will build that in to the course to make sure you don't hit that same roadblock.